Today I will make cookie clicker in 1 minute. In the time you go to the bathroom or send a message, I will make a game. Pretty challenging, isn't it? To just explain for those who don't know this game, in Cookie Clicker the only thing you have to do is to click a cookie. When you click it, you earn money. With that money you can buy power-ups, for example, and lots of other things. So let's make it in just 1 minute. Firstly, obviously I have to create a project. So I will select 2D, obviously, because it's a 2D game, and the name it should be like a cookie clicker in 1 minute. So now we can create the project. After waiting for Unity to create the project, we are about to start this challenge. Before that, you should subscribe and like right now.
Okay, let's dance.
So to start making it, I added a button, and in this button I added a script with the name button. Then I opened this script using Visual Studio Code. I created a new int variable called score, and then a public function called click. The function will be called when we click the button. In this function we print the score, and we add obviously 1 to make it higher whenever we press the button. Then we connect the onClick with the function we just created, and we select the function. Then I just center the button, and that's all. Ooh, that was fast. I didn't try it, but I would say that it should work. So let's test it. I will open the console, and if we press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yes, perfect. It works.
I donate.
People, obviously it's impossible to recreate a whole game in just a minute. I can make Cookie Clicker, but not in 1 minute, obviously. I would need weeks, even months to create a game like that. But the only purpose of this video was to make you laugh and just to make me a challenge of myself. I hope you liked the video. If so, I would recommend you to subscribe to the channel, because I am always uploading new content to the channel. Remember to leave your like, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.